Hi, my name's Claire and welcome to another Windsor Academy tutorial. I'm just going to show you quickly how to make these really cute little bows and how to attach them to your cake. And today I'm using these Jem cutters. They just make it so much easier and quicker to do your bows. There's two sizes, both available in the online shop, and as usual there'll be a link below. But today I'm going to use the large size. So let's get started. So I've just got some pink sugar paste, again it's our own brand, and I'm just giving it a good knead. I've added a little bit of Tylo powder to it just to give it a little strength, and I'm going to roll it really nice and thin. So I'll just show you, that's the sort of thickness that we're looking for. It's only a couple of millimetres. And they come in a set of 3, but I'm just going to use the 2 smaller ones from the large cutter set. I'm going to make one of each. So you take it, and it's got a little almost handle that you can use, and just pop that cutting side down onto your sugar paste and give it a little wiggle. And when you pull up, you should have every single little piece in, and I'll just do the same with the smaller one, and then we can discard our sugar paste. So if you take one of the scribe tools, and you can just pick out the pieces that we don't need from both. And you can just discard that too. Now again, using our scribe tool, we're just going to take the pieces from the cutter, and we just give them a little poke to the back. You don't want to stick the scribe right through to the other side and mark it. So you're literally just almost using it as a grabbing tool. And once you've got a little bit of a lift, you can then just use your fingers and pull that out. I'll show you again with the larger one. This is the medium one from the set. You just literally use it to grab. Okay, we've got every piece out, so we can assemble them now. So I just take a little bit of edible glue and just pop that right in the centre. So this was the face of our fondant, the side that we cut into, and this is the back where we popped in our scribe tool to just pop that out. So I'm just going to take the corner and very gently pull that into the centre and just give it a little push down, and the same with the other side. Just give it a little gentle roll to pick that up and pull it over and across into the centre, and just give it a little push down. Same with the smaller one. You literally just curl that edge over, and you can just pull that into the centre. They are quite flimsy, so it does take a really delicate hand to do it. Show you this way. Just roll that into the right position. Just give it a little push down. Okay, now we've got both of those in place. These small rectangles that we cut out, just pop some glue on both of those. And we literally, the small one for the small bow, just pop that onto the join and give it a little push down. With the larger rectangle onto the larger bow, into the centre, over the join, and give it a little push down. And then we're just going to flip the bows over and pull these ends round. Show you. Pull that end round, and the same with that one. Pull that round. Just give it a little pinch to make sure that sticks nicely. And the same again with the large one. Just pull those in together and giving them a little press down to make sure they stick properly. So now we have 2 really cute little bows. So we're going to attach them to the cake and we'll do our tails at the same time. So as you can see, I'm alternating the sizes of the bows. I'm going from a large to a small, back to a large, so the next one along will be a small one. So I'm just going to take a little edible glue and pop it on the top half of my bow tails. Just take them one at a time and just judging. I'm just eyeballing it, I'm not going to get too specific about measurements. So I'll just pop one on, and the next I'll just give it a little overlap and just make sure they're where I want them. And at this stage you can just give the tails a little flick up with your finger, just to give them a little curl, as if it really is a ribbon. And then I'll take some more edible glue and just pop it onto the back of my small bow. And pop that on. Give it a little push down in the centre. But then I like to just use a tool inside the loops of the bow just to press those onto the side of the cake. And it also helps to poof your bow out a little bit. And there we go. I'll show you the large one. So again, I just pop a little glue on the tails, and again eyeballing where I want to put it. Just put one tail on and another with a little overlap at the top. Give those tails, the points on the tails, a little bit of a flick up with my finger. Oh, that's not my brush. Some edible glue on the back of my bow. And again, just press that into position on top of the tails and use a tool to just press those sides of the bow onto the cake and give the bow a little poof. And that's it. If you found it interesting and it was helpful to you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.